YouTube viewers and everyone online! How are you po? I'm so happy that you're back here. I am re-uploading a video online so that you guys also see it. It's a cooking video blog. Cooking video blog? Yeah. And I hope you enjoy. This was done back in the Philippines and I was cooking with my brother-in-law, Kuya John. I'm so happy to do so many more videos with him. Testing lang muna to kasi it was our first time vlogging. And so I hope you enjoy the video as well. And learn from it as well kasi ang sarap magluto ng Kuya John. Yahoo! Okay, so see you again and remember to hit the subscribe button. Yay! Hello, hivers and 3Speak viewers! I am here at my father-in-law's kitchen. We are in Monggo Concepcion, Tarlac, Philippines. And today, I'm cooking with my brother-in-law. We call him Kuya John. And here are our ingredients for today's menu. Here is the chopped onions, tomatoes, and garlic. And then you have the bitter gourd. Slice them into thin slices, like really thin, very thin, so it'll be easy to cook. And wow, like this is everyone's favorite here in the Philippines, pork. I think we call this pork pata. Okay, and oh, hold on a second. This is boiled until it's soft, or you can just fry it immediately. And here are your Monggo seeds. You need to soak them in water so they become soft, easier to cook along with the other vegetables. And here we have 3 types of veggies. This is the chili leaves, yummy. And here are, what do you call it again? An alugbati. I gotta search that on the internet what you call them in English, I forgot. And here is some shrimp paste. Let's try to open it so you can see how it looks like really yummy shrimp paste over here. So of course you want to line them up and you want to heat up some cooking oil in a really nice spacious cooking pan, deep, with low fire. And our chef for today is my brother-in-law, Kuya June. I love it. Yes. So the first thing is we definitely have to wait until you have enough heat on the pan. Okay, so here we go. Garlic in first. Yup. Cooking time. Stir it a little. Actually, I love this part when you're always putting in the garlic and the onion because it smells super good. And as you can see, Kuya is pressing on the garlic a little, just quickly cook it. Now the onion is in the game. Alright. And of course you need to keep stirring until they're evenly cooked and brown, like golden brown, right? And of course, third ingredient in is your shrimp paste, just a spoonful. Oh, and another half. Yeah, that's gonna give it a lot of taste. So very simple to cook Filipino dishes. And amazingly, very delicious. Forgive us for the sound effects at the back. My husband loves his motorcycle and he's kind of taking care of it right now because we've been away from the Philippines for 6 years. And our fourth ingredient is coming right up, which is our favorite healthy tomato. We've cut and chopped 4 pieces of small tomatoes. I can really smell it already. It's so yummy. You actually eat only this with rice and fried fish and that's it. It's really delicious. But today, we're cooking more than that. And here's your next ingredient. It's the pata, our pork legs. So, kind of, yep, like a saute. Oh, I smell it, yummy. So you're gonna mix it and mix and mix. So that's the reason why you cook the pork legs in advance, fry them, so that when you cook it with the veggies, it's so much easier and the veg don't overcook. Yeah, this is the next is the Monggo Seeds. We've already soaked them in water so that they're easy to cook with the rest of the veggies. How many minutes are we cooking the Monggo with the pata? 20 to 30 minutes? We are at 30 minutes, so we have to keep coming back to just double check so that you don't really overcook the Monggo Seeds. Give it a mix. Yep. And after mixing the Monggo Seeds, we're gonna add in some water. See the level of the water? Yep, just about that. Don't let your pork meat smell. Just enough water for that. Alright. Okay, so here it is. After 30 to 45 minutes, this is your result. Now we can put the sliced ampalaya or bitter gourd. Oh, I can't wait to eat this. This is so yummy. Of course, you want to make sure that your meat is properly cooked and edible soft. And you want to make sure you get a very thick paste from the Monggo Seeds. So now it's game time for the vegetables. We had two kinds of leaves, and we're going to put in both. Let's first mix it. And of course, the fire is up and running. It looks so yummy. It looks so good. And after putting in the other leaves, giving it some more space, we mix again. Here we go. I like the sound background. So are we going to put in any more shrimp paste or fish sauce or salt? Some more, yeah, a little bit of salt, just to make sure you get enough of that. Yeah, pinch of salt. Perfect. Love it. This is so yummy. Alright. And then once you finish mixing, we're going to cover it up again, just for the last. And of course, it's tasting time!
So yummy.
I knew it! I super knew it. I'm going to do the same. I'm going to give it a taste as well. So.
Okay. Okay.
So, are we rolling? I'm tasting. And we very sweet. Gotta make sure it's. I am so excited to eat like lunchtime is served. So here we are. It's eating time.
Trisha.
Alright.
Pembalu.
Here we are. It's
Ya,
eating
pagkantang,
time.
hindi
We
luya.
love to